how you can fix the problem in Play Store of something went wrong. So in order for your convenience, what the problem looks like is once you go to your Play Store, and for example, let's say I wanted to download the Microsoft Edge app, but once when I start to search, it shows your offline, check your connection or get a notification while you're back online. And then it has two options, to try again and then to notify me once your mobile has an internet access. So this is one of the problems that you guys might face. And the second problem is, instead of showing this error message, sometimes Play Store also throws an error message like something went wrong. Please try again. Now, in order for you to not get those problems, you can simply make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned on, for which you need to simply go to your Wi-Fi and then turn it on, and then it will automatically be connected to the nearest Wi-Fi possible. And then you need to go here, and then you can see that the page starts to load. It's that simple to fix the errors, problems, or issues that you face in Play Store. So I hope you found this video useful. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it to your friends and families. Stay tuned for more updates.